Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. In order to do it by code. So what's this? We are going to talk the objective. The objective is going to, find the solution using the Newton's method. In this case, we set two initializations, which the first represents the coefficient of each one. The first one represents the highest degree, which is, for example, at the degree of the 3, the first one represents the coefficient of x to the power of 3. The second one represents the coefficient of x to the power of 2, which goes so on and so forth. Don't ask me why I said Wordley and P marker. Those two, which I will going to explain later, the degree is the total degree of it, which is used for typing. So in the first, we set the degree. We give the Wordley. Degree is the Wordley variable, which it will be using the next function. So in this way, we are going to type in every coefficient of the first value, and the b is the derivative, which we are going to find it out. So which is this one? This one is the way of calculating it. So, and we give the Newton method number of 4, which means we set it for 4 times. So in this way, this now it works. So if it's at the first time, we are going to give him a pre-value, which is the value that we pre-calculated. And don't ask me why I don't use the quadratic ways of solving quadratic function or cubic equation. Just because calculating them. So we are going to set if the value of the absolute is less than 1. So we are going to set this number of marker. We calculate the value of each one. So we set x from -5 to 5, and we plug them in, each one separately. So if the value, the absolute value is small, is less than 1 difference, has a difference of less than 1 to 0, the marker is going to be the original number, and we do a break. Which we jump this out directly. So we set the marker so that, for me, I'm able to check whether the code is correct or not. So now the Wordley is going to be false, which means that the second time and third time and fourth time when it access, it won't be accessing. So the second result is representing the value, the value I calculated there. The result of the derivative equation. Not derivative equation. Yes, the derivative equation. When I plug the value I calculated in before with x instead of x. And the third result is the one that I plug in, that calculates the original formula, not the derivative. And after that, we set a marker. In case the second result equals to 0, we just set, if it's equals to 0, we just do it as 0. And we use P marker for transportation. And after that, we give one process completed, just in case to check. So this is this makes the code can be looped inside. So we are now going to check. If it's the right way, enter the degree. 2. The first coefficient is, which is x squared. 3. We do a 3. 1 is x cubed. X squared plus 5x minus 7. So it is actually going to 1.3. It starts from 1.35 and it's going towards the final result, which is 1.119437527062639. It is going to be our final answer, so which means this code is successful. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!